Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line products number 16470. This is a package of 50 small key identifiers in a red color. Okay, this is the small size. They make small and medium and large, and the bottom line is the small is probably not the one you need for a typical house key. You probably want medium if you have drawer locks, cam locks, things of that nature. That would be more appropriate for this. Okay, let me give you an idea of the dimensional properties of this item. So the 16470, it's about 13/16 on the OD, okay, and is going to have a slot, and you can see how small that slot is for inserting the key through. It's just going to be too tight, I think, on a typical Schlager Kwikset head on the key. The 16470 is a specific part number. The confusing thing about Lucky Line is their part numbers. The great thing about Lucky Line is their part numbers. When you have a part number, that gives you lots of information once you know how to decode it. And I decode it by just looking at the manufacturer's catalog. So the 164, if we're going to dissect the part number, means small. Okay, if you add numbers after that, it would be the color. So in this case, we've got 70, 16470. 70 is the code for red. Other colors, 20 for black, 30 for blue, 40 for green, 65 for purple, 68 for magenta, 70 for red, 80 for yellow, then 46 for neon green, 56 for neon orange, 66 for neon pink, and 86 for neon yellow. Now, the 164 is also the derivative or the base part number that can be extended into different configurations, meaning color is a variable, packaging is a variable, the quantity included in that is a variable. Frankly, if you're looking for variations on this, I would click on the link below this video to the manufacturer's page and pull up their product catalog and search for 167. Just Control F on your keyboard, 164, and then you'll be able to see listed in the tables there how that part number changes as the packaging, the quantity, and the color changes. So this is under the industrial pack because this is what this is classified. 164 plus the color number means 50 in a pack of that specific one color. Okay. Also tells you how many packages are in a case, should you need to know that value as well. You want the medium, that's a 167. You want the large, that's a 166. So that is very helpful to be able to review how to change the part number to get exactly what you want. You might not want an industrial pack, you might want a retail package. You might want to have your lock shop or your checkout line at your hardware store with a jar of these. Well, you can buy a jar of them, as a matter of fact, and you can buy them, of course, in different quantities and different color types, assorted or clear, neon, things of that nature, and it's all listed there. So the advantage of this sort of idea is that it will certainly allow you to color code your keys, which is helpful, but it's also allows you to know the difference in the dark between your house key, the front door of the house, let's say, and the sliding patio door in the back of your house, so that you can fumble in your pocket and know which key to use. So that's another helpful reason to have these. So back to that manufacturer's page. There is that link below this video to the manufacturer's page within our site where you can view not only all the Lucky Line products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to that product catalog where you can review all things Lucky Line related. They do a lot more than just key identifiers, naturally. They're going to do key tags made of paper and plastic and aluminum and bronze. They're going to be able to help you with key rings, everything from the small giveaway key rings all the way up to the large pull-apart jailer style key rings. They can do custom products with printing on them, like fobs. They can put your company name and phone number on a fob on a wrist coil. They can do lanyards, things of that. They can do flotation devices. One of the let's say you rent jet skis at a beach. Okay, you're going to need that attached to every key. They can help you with that. Another thing to consider in that scenario are their twisty key rings. They make stainless cable that can be contorted into a figure eight and connected, and when contorted in a figure eight again, disconnected, so that they're basically very secure types of key rings. Those can even then be crimped for permanent closure. So handy. If you have more than an occasional need for key management hardware, the name Lucky Line is the catalog that you want to be most familiar with. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line 16470, package of 50 red small key identifiers, or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us.